It's a chilling development indeed, viewers. The police will get to the bottom of this, but let's move on to what's happening in Telangana, because it's been 3 days and 8 workers continue to remain trapped in this particular tunnel, the Sri Sailam Canal project, after which now the rat miners have also been roped in along with the NDRF, Army as well as the Navy. Here's a ground report on the investigation as well as the rescue operation so far.
The race to find 8 workers who are trapped 14 kilometers inside the collapsed SLBC tunnel since Saturday morning is still on.
Well, it's day 3 and over 48 hours has passed as the 8 workers have been trapped at the Sri Sailam Left Bank Canal Tunnel. On Saturday morning, these workers had come inside the tunnel for the repair work. Well, as you can see, this is the tunnel which is 44 kilometers long, and this is the world's 5th largest tunnel here located in Nagar Karnool. And as you can see, the rescue operations are underway to bring out the 8 trapped workers.
Joint rescue teams are making all-out efforts to trace those trapped inside the tunnel.
Right now, as we are at the SLBC tunnel, you can see that JCB is now being sent inside the tunnel. And as the rescue operations continue, this is now what we are seeing is that with the help of Loco Train, the JCB is being sent inside to remove the slush, the mud slush, and also to help the workers there inside for the rescue operation.
Army medical teams and engineers equipped with high-capacity pumping sets, excavators and bulldozers are working tirelessly to clear the debris and facilitate safe evacuation.
And now what we are seeing is that there is Indian Army also which has been put up here, and also not only that, Indian Army has set up a medical camp here for emergency. All of the medical facilities have been put up, like as you can see there are oxygen cylinder, emergency medicines which have been put.
Authorities are closely monitoring the situation at the collapse site to ensure safe and swift evacuation.
I'll just pan around and show you. This is the Sri Sailam Dam which you see, and on the left hand is the Sri Sailam Left Bank Canal. On the back side of this dam which you see is the Sri Sailam Left Bank Canal where the incident has taken place. And when we talk about the other side, that's the right hand side which comes under Andhra Pradesh, and the left side of the Sri Sailam Dam comes under Telangana state. And right now, as we have been seeing that the rescue operations to bring out the 8 workers who are trapped inside is underway, and this is the very Sri Sailam Dam, and as you can see that's the Sri Sailam backwaters which leads to the Somasila, but the incident that has taken place is in between this particular area that's on the left hand side, left bank of the canal.
The rescue operation has crossed more than 60 hours. With highly challenging situation, and technical experts are working around the clock to resolve the crisis.
Aneri is joining us live. Aneri, over 72 hours have gone by, but so far no update as far as the workers' health condition or their whereabouts are concerned. Tell us about what's happening as we enter day 4 of the rescue operations.
Well, Deepak, a very unfortunate incident that had taken place on Saturday, and now when we talk about this very development which has been going on, today is the day 4 of the rescue operations which still continue at the Sri Sailam Left Bank Canal, where we see that almost all the teams have been working round the clock there, but then they are still not able to develop any sort of communication with these workers, and also many challenges that these workers, this rescue teams have been facing is that they are still not able to reach till the very spot because the Boeing machine which was working there had damaged after the mud and water had fallen. So it is being said that these workers might have been trapped in that very machine, and now due to the mud slush inside the tunnel and also due to the heavy water inside the tunnel, because it's a continuous inflow inside the tunnel, and that's the reason why we see that the rescue teams have been facing a lot of challenge to reach till that very spot, and that's the reason why until one time only they are able to reach only till the 12th kilometer of the tunnel, and then after that the rescue teams have to go on to the conveyor belt, and then from there they have to cross that belt and reach there, but they are still having a lot of obstacles to reach till there, and no communication has been established till now, but it all remains to be seen what would be done, and all the measures, all the efforts are being put in to make sure that these 8 workers come out safely, but situation seems to be very grim as almost 72 hours have passed away now.